Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to get a little bit personal. As many of you know, I've been dealing with blood pressure issues for many years, and I regularly see the doctor. I take medicine. I do all these things to control my blood pressure. I even bought a smartwatch to check my blood pressure. And I found that every time I check it, it seems to be all over the place. In fact, with most smartwatches, it's not 100% accurate. In fact, it's not even 50% accurate because I'll test it right before I go into the doctor's office on my regular checkups. It's way different. This says I'm normal. I go in there, they say I'm pre-hypertension, even with my medication. So this is one of those silent killers that you just have to monitor consistently and accurately. Clearly, accuracy is key, and with these smartwatches, I found that it's just not that accurate, at least not the blood pressure aspect of the watches. And I've tried the Apple watches, I've tried some of the high-end ones like this one here. So what do I do? Well, I went out and I found a company that has a really high-rated, very high-quality blood pressure unit that will actually check my blood pressure, and it will be hopefully very accurate. So in today's video, we're going to test it out. It's this one right here. This one is by Mearsun, and I was pretty excited to get this because it has really good ratings on Amazon. So I wanted to test it out. I want to check this versus what my watch says that I am versus what I got for a reading just yesterday when I went to the doctor. So if this is fairly close to what the doctor's was, then I know this is a lot better product and it's very affordable. So let's check it out in today's video. All right, so let's do a quick unboxing and see what comes in the box when you first get it. I love unboxings. It's just fun to see what's in these things. And I know you guys like to see them as well. So this is it right here. As you can see, first thing on the top is a manual. It is a black and white manual. Oh no, it's got some color in it, but it's just pretty basic, but it does explain how to use it properly. I always encourage you to look at the manual. This is quite a few pages. There's actually 35 pages of all kinds of information for you. Hopefully I answer some of the stuff in the manual in today's video. I have tested a few of these on our channel, and this is the first one that's this advanced. I mean, this is a pretty nice unit. Very nice. It looks like it has a USB-C charging cord. That's kind of nice because that means it'll charge fast, but also I can plug it into anything. I could be sitting at my desk. My desk has a USB plug-ins, so I could plug it in and just charge it from my desk or wherever I'm at. So that makes it very portable. So it does have that. So let's pull it out of the box here and see what it looks like. That's it. Nothing else in the box. All right, brand new. This is brand new to me, guys. So this is like new for me, maybe new for you too. All right, so what do we have here? This is a nice unit. This was priced really good. So I was quite surprised. I assume you just kind of, well, you probably go the other way. There we go. No, you go that way. I had it right. This is new to me, guys. This is different. All the ones I've used in the past have either been a watch or it's been one of those Velcro wraps that I either have too tight or too loose. Nothing professional like this. Kind of reminds me of those units that they have at like the pharmacy that you go to, or when you go to the hospital. There's some of the hospitals I've been to where they check it. You actually put it in a machine like this versus the Velcro strap. So this is pretty nice. Really nice looking unit. As you can see, let me plug it in. We can check it out. Look at all these cool gadgets it has. I didn't read the manual yet, so if I do something wrong, I don't have time to read 35 pages right now for this video, but I am going to plug this guy in right now into my desk. And we'll check it out. We'll turn it on, see what it looks like. All right, so the plug-in is actually right here in the very back. You just plug it right in like that. Just like that in the back. So hit the power button and it turns right on, as you can see. So right now it has, oh, that's cool. So it's actually upside down. So when you have it like this, you can read it this way. So everything is facing this way. Guys, it's already checking my blood pressure. I didn't even do anything. So let's see what it looks like. And then I'm going to test it on my watch right now in today's video. We'll see which one is more accurate. It's pretty impressive. I can feel the pressure. Now, my blood pressure was really high yesterday, so we'll see how it is today. I've been dealing with a little bit of hip pain, so the pressure is always a little bit higher also when I'm dealing with that. All right, guys, so it says I am 169 over 104. It's about right. I was 147 over 96 yesterday. I know I'm in a little bit more pain today. I was a little bit more active. So 169 over 104, as you can tell, that's pretty high. Now, let's check my watch right now, and I've got my camera right above me. So we will check the blood pressure now. All right, so we're checking the blood pressure right now on my watch just to see the difference between the watch and what this shared, because this is way more accurate. This actually says I'm pretty high. I'm going to test it again. I'm going to not talk. And I'm going to see if it maybe just the talking and moving and stuff, maybe it messed up the sensors a little bit. All right. Yeah, that's not right. That says that I am normal. So yeah, obviously the watch isn't good. So I'm going to do this one last time. I'm going to go ahead and start it over. All right. So all I did was just hit the start stop and then put my elbow down on the little sensor there. All right, that's almost exactly what I got at the doctor's just by not talking. So as you can see there on camera a little bit, 150 over 88. So yeah, I've got high blood pressure, guys. This is going to help me a lot because a lot of times certain medications work, some cause more problems. And then on top of that, what I eat could affect it, what I could drink. Do I drink too much coffee, energy drinks? These types of things can affect my blood pressure. And it's nice to have something like this because now I can see what's affecting it. Like, is it the energy drinks that I might drink, or is it the too much coffee or certain kinds of food, red meat, things like that that might cause my blood pressure. So it's nice to be able to monitor it. And guys, this thing right here was very affordable, and it's, as you can tell, really nice unit. I love that it has the elbow hold. It's comfortable, of course, until you have all the high pressure on your arm, obviously, because it's checking your blood pressure. It does have the emergency stop, so if you feel dizzy or whatever, there's different settings in here. This is new to me, guys. This is brand new. I haven't even taken the plastic cover off of here, so this is all new to me, but I really like the look of it and the functionality of it. I love that it was so easy to start. So I'm literally just, you stick your arm in, you press the on button, and then you just put your elbow down. That's it. So easy to check. And a lot of times those cuffs, you got to get them on. The Velcro kind of irritates your skin. It takes a little while to set it up. It makes you kind of not want to do it. And I have one. It's just, again, it's not as accurate as this. This is exactly what my doctor said as far as when I tested it at the doctor's yesterday. It was a little bit higher today than yesterday, but again, I'm in a little bit more pain today after some physical therapy I did yesterday. So dealing with the pain can affect your blood pressure for sure, but still, as you could tell, that's a pretty high number. But I like how easy it is to use. All right, so let's talk about the pros and cons of this. So this thing looks great. So the pros clearly are the appearance is fantastic. I mean, it looks like a piece of art on your desk. It doesn't even, I mean, it's great. It is a little bit big, but you kind of want that, I think, because it's plastic. It's not fake anything. It's really good quality. Cons, though, I would say probably there's only a couple things really, and it holds 99 readings in its internal memory. So if you want to save more than your last 99 readings, maybe you're somebody that likes to chart things and track your blood pressure, which I think is great, but it only records 99 on here. That's from the little bit that I skimmed through the manual there. Also, it doesn't have a Bluetooth companion, so there's not that I know of, and unless the brand can correct me, I don't believe there's a Bluetooth capability for here, so there's no smart app that you can track and monitor on your phone. So a lot of people like to track their health on certain phone apps. And so it doesn't have the ability to do that. So it's going to record it onto a drive. You can write it down on your calendar. However you want to track it, you're more than welcome, but it doesn't have the Bluetooth capability. So it's just something to think about. So if it had something like that, it would be out of this world. But I hope I helped you kind of understand how these blood pressure machines work, because there's some cheap ones out there, and I got one that was about $40, and I regret it because it's not accurate. Why waste $40 when you can get something like this that is 100% accurate? I mean, it's really accurate compared to like my smartwatch, as you can tell. It says I'm normal, which I know I'm not normal. My doctor says I'm not normal, but this says I'm not normal. So I just have a little bit high blood pressure. Again, I have medication. I'm working on it. And I know a lot of people, there's millions of people out there around this world that have blood pressure issues. And it is a silent, deadly killer. And in our family, we've had a history of heart problems. I know a lot of people have the same situation. So we're trying to help people with that. And I think this is an awesome unit. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Any questions, feel free to comment down below. Reach out to us, and I'll put a link to this in the description section, guys, where you can get this. It's pretty darn awesome, and it's just love it. It's so cool. Just a cool unit. Folds up like that. Stick it in the corner, ready to use it. Unfold it, press the button, put your arm in, you're good to go. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks again, everybody. Bye.